Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day number 43 of our live trading campaign. It's been a situation where we have got back-to-back losses, and then there is a lot of panic, there's a lot of fear, and then there's a lot of people who are trying to change the techniques. But this quote is something which is very useful at this juncture, at this point. The quote is, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Okay, but when it comes to our trading methodology, we are very clear cut about our risk. We know that how much we are risking. We're risking only 1,000 rupees, and our plan is clear cut, our strategy is clear cut, more importantly our system is clear cut. When all this is clear, the only thing which you are left out with is your emotional balance, your psychology. Okay, so this, in case if you take control of it, then there's nothing else, nobody else can stop you from making money in stock market. So without wasting much time, let us look into today's live trading video. The stock selected was TCS as per our analysis, and we found out that the stock is in a trending phase. It's not ranging. Sorry, it is not trending. It's in a ranging phase. So that is the reason we are doing the break-ins. Okay, we are not doing the breakouts, and the target and stop loss is 12 rupees and 8 rupees. That is nothing but zero point 0.6 and 0.4. Okay, so we have kept the sell order, and immediately let us keep the buy order as well, and nothing else to be done for us. Just place the orders and leave, and then wait for the market to react and give us the profit. So you can see that both orders have been placed, and then once that is done, end of the day, you can see that we made a profit of around 1,500, which was the target which we had. And without wasting much time, we just have to quickly update into our Excel. It gives you lot of confidence, lot of booster. You will know how your journey is all about. So you can see that after back-to-back 3 losses, we came back to profit, and then it's just a matter of time. Couple of profits will recover all the losses, and we can see that we are close to almost you can say 40% returns, and removing the brokerages and all those things, you can say that you are close to about 20%. Even if you take half, we are at 20% returns. Okay friends, last but not the least, just want to give you an update about my options trading tactics. It's a 6 months training program where I'll be learning about options adjustments, not the strategy. And also, if you want to join Upstock, use the link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.